Hello darlings, my name is Stephen Davies and I'm the knob by the hob.
Okay, so now I'm going to make the tarragon, creamy tarragon sauce. So I'm going to melt some butter. And then I'm going to add to the butter, I'm going to put some fresh garlic in, but I'm going to put some garlicky salt in. Just a little bit of that, and a little bit of pepper. Then I'm going to add some garlic, fresh crushed garlic. Then just melt that down, cook up the garlic a little bit. And then add a splash of white wine. Actually, I'm using a Chablis, which is it's too good to be using, but I never put anything in my mouth if it's not expensive. So. Cook that down a little bit if you want to burn the alcohol off. And then as that's cooking down, add a little bit of the vegetable stock. Okay, now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm using Tom Parker cream from his creamery. Apparently happy cows make happy cream, so it's a very organic freedom to roam, socialise with their friends. I'm going to put 2 bottles of that in. Some lemon juice. Again, these are the Sicilian lemons, really juicy. Some tarragon. And a little bit of honey. Just a spoonful. And then just let that cook down and reduce a little bit. It's the calm before the storm. My guests are due to arrive, so I thought I'd show you a few things at the house here. During lockdown, got a little bored, started collecting a few things. So my crystals, got quite a lot of crystals scattered around the house. Diogo bought me that big white one there. There's a beautiful crystal. These more of the sculptures that I collect from a guy called Fred Gordon. That's May, immortalised in bronze. And there's Arthur, also immortalised in bronze. I also collect taxidermy. There's a little fox there. Here we've got a woodpecker. I can't remember what that is. Springbok. And then I also, there's a Welsh artist I really like, and he's initially painted a lot of portraits of miners. And if Joe does a spin, there's 2 of his paintings there. Adams thinks they're depressing, but I like them. And then there's another one here. His name is Hugh Griffiths. If you look there above the fireplace, that's another Guy Allen. That's their prints, but that's the first of 20. So if you get the number 1, it's always a bit more valuable.